Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Intel price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting here on the 2 weeks chart for the all-time history for Intel, we are looking at an ABC toward the upside, finishing a wave A in the blue scenario here, where we are looking potentially at a corrective wave, of course, because it is only 3 waves up. And we are looking here for a wave C, of course, after an A, B, and a C corrective wave. Your wave C is potentially an ending diagonal here, which it would be like, of course, possibly reaching the 1-to-1 fib level. However, if we take a look here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 5 cannot be longer, of course, than this. If the wave 5 moves longer, therefore, invalidation for this ending diagonal and transforming it into double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. This will not be looking nice for Intel, of course, because yeah, that will be a very deep correction, right? And after this, we are looking, of course, definitely for a wave B and moving toward the upside for a bigger wave C, of course. So we would like to see 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Let's take a closer look, of course, inside this wave to see what's going on the daily here. On the daily, we can see, this is what we would like to see anyway. I was saying like this doesn't look like an impulse, and actually it shouldn't look like an impulse because it is a leading diagonal in a wave 1 as a zigzag correction. Of course, very choppy correction. It doesn't matter what it is. Of course, it definitely is a WXY and probably XZ as well. And we're looking here to another, of course, A, B, and a C toward the downside, knowing that it looks a little bit like an impulse here. But your impulse for wave A finished here, wave B, and then a C, of course, as another impulse. Now, as you can see, it has created a very immense, large gap here that we might, of course, close it with this move toward the downside as a correction. I believe that this correction might not be finished yet, knowing that it has continued the trend toward the downside. But I believe, of course, that we still need something to finish this area, especially that the gap is not fully closed here. Yeah, so potentially that we close it and then moving again toward the downside, or potentially that this impulse is not finished yet, yeah, for a wave 3. Very possible as well, meaning if you are still in a zigzag here toward the downside, you would like to see, of course, still a wave 4 higher, and then wave 5. However, let's take some fib for just a little bit more secure that we are inside the fib levels for a wave 3 here in a diagonal. Here we go. So let's see. Ouch. Yep. Okay, so yeah, we cannot move further, guys. We're very close to the 1-to-1 fib level. It's not allowed, of course, to hit the wave 3, the 1-to-1 fib level. If it does, of course, therefore invalidation. Potentially, therefore, we still have to move on with a wave 4 finished exactly here, potentially, of course. That because, yeah, in this case scenario, we might have finished our wave 3. Yeah? And currently, we are towards our wave 5. However, very important, very important thing to mention here is that if we finish this wave, this ending diagonal, I don't know what's happened with TradingView is lagging. Okay, thank you, TradingView. If we finish with a very short wave C here, failing to take the low, that would be nicer for the bullish because it's gonna end up in kind of a truncated A, B, and a C here. Yeah, A, B, and a C. Truncation meaning, of course, failing to take the low, and it's a signal for market reversal. And if this happen, meaning, of course, that we might start to move toward the upside directly after this truncation. So what we would like to see now is a zigzag for a wave 5 simply to be finished there and potentially taking the low, potentially not. But if it takes the low, it is possible, by the way. It can be. Let's say this is a wave 4. Let's take the fibs as well here to see how much deep this wave 5 can reach. So if we are looking for wave 5 here in this, yeah, very nice. Did we took? Yeah, we can take the low very easily, yes. So as you can see, the wave 5 can range inside this area. So meaning we can take the low very easily. Yeah, with a wave 5 as a big zigzag toward the downside is totally okay to have it, of course. The leading diagonal, sometimes the wave 5 can overshoot this trend, yeah, from the leading diagonal when it is very intense. It is an intense ending diagonal. Sorry, I don't know why I say leading. It's an ending diagonal. So yeah, wave 5 and then moving toward the upside. Blue box, of course, preferably is this wave 1 here, but as you can see, if we hit the blue box with 1-to-1 fib level, that will invalidate the triangle. So very, very important, this blue box should not be hit actually. We should stay inside inside these levels here and start to move toward the upside later on. If we reach the 1-to-1 fib level, which is $10, that's very, very bad for Intel. We might, of course, move continuously toward the downside. And of course, that means double 1, 2 guys, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I would like to mention that fundamentally, Intel, yeah, doesn't sound good. The news about Intel. So I don't know what's going on. It was, of course, the leader of the electronics and especially computers sector, but I don't know what's going on. There is a lot of stories around Intel right now going on, and even that it was very, very close for the break, yeah, for the whole company, but hopefully not. I mean, Intel is since the 90s is a leader, but we don't see any improvement, and especially with looking at the 3 waves toward the upside and not an impulse. Yeah, this is also very critical. You would like to see an impulse here. Now, of course, it can be an impulse, guys, but with this long range here, it starts to be a very, very low possibility. Yeah, like if you have 1, 2, 3, if this is your wave 4 time is more than 6 times your wave 2. Yeah, so therefore very, very low possibility. Higher possibility that it is, of course, a flat here, and of course 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and potentially 5 waves up. So that was it for Intel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.